Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green leaf. First, select a prime spot in your garden. Green leaf thrives in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good soil is crucial. Aim for well-draining soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. If your soil is heavy clay, enrich it with plenty of organic matter to enhance drainage and boost fertility for healthy growth. Once your soil is ready, it is time to plant. If sowing seeds, place them 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, about 1 inch apart. For starting with transplants, dig holes that are large enough to comfortably fit the entire root ball. Ensure your rows are spaced 12 to 18 inches apart. This spacing provides ample room for the plants to mature and allows for good air circulation, which is vital for preventing disease. Consistent care is key to a bountiful harvest. Water your green leaf plants regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist, particularly during any dry spells. About every 2 to 3 weeks, feed your plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage robust growth. Remember to water at the base of the plants rather than overhead. This practice helps prevent common fungal diseases that can affect the leaves, keeping your greens healthy. Finally, the rewarding part, harvesting. You can start picking the outer leaves when they are about 4 to 6 inches long. This method allows the inner leaves to continue growing, providing a continuous harvest. To protect your young plants from common garden pests, consider using row covers. Regularly check for pests like aphids and slugs, remove them by hand, or use appropriate organic sprays to keep your green leaf thriving and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.